Welcome to Swift Studios. So last time we discussed about properties and libraries, which was this from here to here, and today we are going to discuss about stage, which is from here to here. So let's start. So first thing you can see is United 1 dash in here. So this is the name of our file, and you can see scene 1 in here. So I'll show you how to add scenes. So go to Windows and Scenes and click here to add scenes. You can also rename scenes by double clicking this and XXX like this. Now the name of our scene is XXX. So I'll show you here this option. So you can jump between scenes by doing this. So now we are in scene called YYY, and again we are in scene called XXX. So this one is the symbol icon for symbol. So if you make many symbols like this, so I'll create many symbols. And as I told you before, it will be automatically stored in library. Now let's delete this. Now what this does is you can actually access any symbols from here and directly edit this. So now we're inside a symbol which is in XXX scene. So let's click the here. So by clicking in here you can go back to our scene. So this is about the symbol. Now let's go to center stage. So in tools we use this to move our stage aside. Now if you are having problem to bring this to the center, you can click here to position the stage in center. Now let's move to this one. This is a clip content outside the stage. So what this does is, if I create a graphic or shape which is longer than our stage, and when I click in here, this will only show the part that is inside the stage. And we have a zooming option here, fit to windows, show frames, and many percentage, for example 25% of 100%, 800%, and mostly we will use 100%. So this is about the stages. Now the next thing you can see is our property of stage. So in properties you see FPS 24.00. so this is our frames per second, which we are going to discuss about in our timeline and output section. And the next thing is size of width and height of stage. You can change this according to your will. 400 by 300 will look something like this. Mostly we are going to use 800 by 480. So this is our normal for creating games and animations. Now you can see here is the stage background color. You can also change this according to your will, but I like to keep it white. So this is pretty much about the stage, and I'll see you in next video in which we will discuss about timeline and output.